Family, so showing you the inside of my toolbox on how I keep my electrical set up for welding. I got my 180 in here and I got my 250V, so I can be able to weld stick, flux core, and TIG with the setup that I got in here. And this is all electric setup. So if it's 120 to 240, 220 to 480 with this machine, I can change it. Like, I think it got like 4 or 5 different settings as far as the power source goes. But so I try to keep my power tools, my electric grinders when I really need to get down on it, and my power cord, so that way I can connect to whatever power source. So if I'm at a house and they got a 220, I got a house plug, I got an RV plug, I got an industrial plug, so that way I can be able to get all money. So this is how I do my service calls and my electrical setup. And also, I'm gonna tell you, I give people a discount, so to speak, if I don't have to bring my generator welder out, and it works out. I still make good money, they still save money, everybody happy at the end of the day. Hold on.